Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Swyvl, and in today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic, spatial data fusion and how it's redefining success metrics. First, let's define what we mean by spatial data fusion. It's the process of integrating multiple sources of spatial data to create a unified data set. This can include satellite imagery, drone footage, GIS data, and more. The goal is to get a more comprehensive and accurate understanding of the spatial environment. Why is spatial data fusion so important? It enhances the accuracy and reliability of the data, provides a more complete picture, and allows for better decision making. For example, spatial data fusion is currently changing the world in significant ways. In agriculture, combining satellite imagery with ground sensors helps optimize water use and increases crop yields. In urban planning, integrating various spatial datasets supports smarter city design that improve traffic flow and reduce pollution. With spatial data fusion, traditional success metrics are changing. Instead of just looking at data accuracy and coverage, we now consider factors such as data interoperability, real-time updates, and being able to derive actionable insights. This shift helps organizations make important and impactful results. For example, success metrics can now be measured by how easily data is able to be integrated and how quickly actionable insights are able to be made. Looking ahead, AI and machine learning are playing a crucial role in spatial data fusion by automating data integration and enhancing the accuracy of insights. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data faster than ever before, identifying patterns and anomalies that might be missed by human analysts. Furthermore, quantum computing promises to revolutionize spatial data processing by handling complex computations at unprecedented speeds, enabling real-time data fusion on a scale we can only imagine today. A critical aspect of spatial data fusion is data interoperability, which ensures that data from different sources can work together seamlessly. This is where organizations like the Open Geospatial Consortium, OGC, come into play. They develop open standards that promote interoperability that enable different systems to communicate effectively. Data interoperability is crucial because it allows for the seamless integration of diverse data sets, making it possible to derive meaningful insights and make informed decisions. Spatial data fusion is already making a significant impact across various industries. For instance, in disaster response, integrating satellite imagery, drone data, and social media feeds helps emergency services respond more effectively. In environmental monitoring, combining data from different sensors helps track pollution and climate change more accurately. These real-world applications demonstrate the power of spatial data fusion to solve complex problems and drive positive change. At Swyvl, our mission is to create an ecosystem where spatial data from various different sources are able to be brought together, making it easily accessible, shareable, and usable by people, systems, and AI. We invite you to join us along on our journey. See you in the next video.